The Roav Viva is a new plug-and-play Bluetooth car kit that brings the Alexa voice service to any car. Let's find out more. So what was the inspiration behind the Roav Viva?
The inspiration behind the Roav Viva is the perfect cross-section between technology and accessibility. We're finding the way that people interact with searches is changing so much over the last few years. It's gone from desktop to mobile, and now we're seeing a shift from mobile to voice. By 2020, there'll be over 200 billion voice searches a month. So now you add that on top of the smart car space. Most consumers have cars that are over 11 years old. So it's an expensive proposition to upgrade to a smart car. So with the Roav Viva, you can have those smart capabilities and access to over 20,000 Alexa skills for $49.99.
So how do you actually envision customers using the product?
We envision customers creating an Alexa ecosystem in their vehicles. So everything from ordering coffee on their way to work, taking phone calls, asking for directions, even managing their schedule.
So do we get to actually have a look at the product working?
Can I show you my favorite Alexa skill?
Please do.
It's a little self-absorbed, but get into it. Alexa, give me a compliment.
That thing you don't like about yourself is what makes you so interesting.
Thanks, Alexa. That's what I do in the car.
I absolutely love it. And it's good to know that. A little bit of affirmation on the way to work.
On the way to work.
Very important.
Alexa, give me directions to Starbucks.
Getting directions to Starbucks at 600 East Warm Springs Road.
Another great thing with the Roav Viva is that you can control your smart home. So if you're driving home from work, you can turn on your lights in your home so you're not walking into a dark house. So Alexa, turn on the living room light.
Okay.
I think this is a really brilliant product. I especially love that I can get some compliments on my drive into work. Thank you so much for sharing the product with me, Keita.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.